cry. No, you don't cry. Oh my gosh.
I'm not crying.
Okay. My face is gonna be very ugly.
No. Oh, don't say. Guapa.
Not guapa. I look like veggie.
No.
I'm gonna be crying.
Bye bye. Sarah.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, bye. Bye bye. I'll miss you. Come back, Jinso. Don't shave your hair. Don't shave your hair. You'll be like Kieran. Shave your head.
Don't shave your hair.
Don't join.
Protect my hair.
You will buy a glue.
We're gonna
If I don't shave my hair, I have to go jail.
go jail.
Shave your hair? Come here.
Go to jail.
Always put it in your bag when you go
mean
to
it?
school.
Oh.
You'll be okay.
유민이? 유민이 없어?
Is Mikkel there?
유민 어디지?
HB already said it.
Bye. Bye. You broke the chair. You broke the chair. Bye bye. Bye bye. 다시 보자.
Don't shave your hair.
다시 만나자. 알콩달콩. 알콩달콩. 신지와 킹콩. Bye bye. Eric, Harry, bye bye.
So let's go, Korea.
Bye bye. Janjay, bye bye.
Buy your tickets.
Can I take this to Korea? Is it good? You should take me in Korea. Oh my god, very happy. You should, you should bring me to Korea. Oh. I'll be in the bag.
You too.
I'll be inside your bag. I'm not missing, please.
Open.
You're missing me.
I miss you guys already.
오, 진짜 하네? 이제 갔네? 왜 안 울어? Sorry. I never cry. Cause we will see.
We will see each other again.
나도 울것 같아.
It's not goodbye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you later. 강진. 시어리 뭐?
Bye-bye.
수민. 번호 바이바이. 잘 지내요, 네. Come back. 보고 싶을 거예요. 네. 바이바이. Love you, Zee. Love you. For everything. Don't cry.
No students. No will. Airport.
어? 가는데? 어? 아, 다른 버스. 가지마. 저 여기 있어. 아, 나 여기.
Great.
Because things good?
가지마. 어?
I miss you so much. Bye bye.
버스 타면 돼, 버스.
I love you, Eugene.
I love you. Love you, man.
이거.
Love you, Primrose.
Oh my god, I'm ugly.
No. You're not.
You're always. Thank you. We should go now. Okay.